Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the DILUMEN LED mirror lamp here. Ooh, that looks really cool. This is a mirror lamp for the bathroom. A mirror light with 1300 lumen and 50 centimeter. It matches really cool to my mirror, as you can see. It comes with 15 watt. It's a bathroom light with neutral white, 4000K for Kelvin mirror lamp for the bathroom or the cabinet, because you can attach it 3 different styles. You can make a wall mount or a cabinet mount, or you can clamp it on your mirror like you see here in that video. It is a 230 volt bathroom mirror light for the bathroom. IP44. That means you can use it in your toilet area. We have 3 installation options. This bathroom mirror lamp offers us 3 different installation options. That means we have a wall mounting option, a mirror clamp option, and a cabinet mounting. It's easy because there is a 90 degrees angle included, and you can attach it directly to your wall easily, or you can of course use the additional 90-degree angle to attach it to the bottom, I think, or to a cabinet mounting, of course. This allows us easily choose the appropriate installation method depending on the bathroom layout and personal preferences, which increases the flexibility, of course. And with a bright lighting, with a brightness of up to 1300 lumens, this bathroom mirror lamp provides bright and even good lighting. This ensures that we get clear reflections in front of the mirror whenever we are apply makeup, styling, or grooming. We have a pleasant color temperature. That means the color temperature of this mirror light is 4000K and offers a warm and pleasant light that ensures relaxation in the bathroom. But this color temperature is also suitable for different makeup and care requirements. And of course, we have a waterproof design. With an IP44 waterproof rating, this mirror lamp for the bathroom have been specially developed for damp environments. It can withstand moisture and water drops without being damaged, which increases the safety in our bathroom. We have a high color rendering index. This LED bathroom light has a high color rendering index. This is the CRI of 80. This means that it accurately reproduces objects in their true color and helps us make accurate makeup and care decisions in front of the mirror, while we have a good light. DILUMEN is a brand that focuses on bathroom mirror lights. The name is derived from the Latin words light and lamp. The dimensions of it are 50 to 11 to 4 centimeter. It comes with stainless steel and plastic. Chrome plating power is 15 watt. The lumen is 1300 lumen. The beam angle is 180 degrees. The color temperature is at 4000 neutral. And that's white. The RR is more than 80. Reinstallation method are 3-in-1 installation method. That's really cool. For lights with the color rendering index of less than 80, more than 80, we may be able to detect the color definition of the object with effective our aesthetics and our choices. If we want to enjoy a high quality life, we need to choose lamps with a color rendering index of more than 80 to make our eyes and mood comfortable. We make sure that the power has been shut off before we performing the installation process, of course, because we have to connect it to the power supply. It is a wide connection. The lamp's cable can be replaced. If the cable is damaged, the appliance should be replaced, of course, or we have to replace the cables itself. We lay the mirror lamp in a desired position and fix it to the mirror, the cabinet, the wall with screws, supplies. With the packaging included, we connect the unit to the main power system of 230 volt. That means we have two wires there. These two wires are blue and brown. Brown is the lifeline, the L line, and the blue one is the back line. This is the neutral N. We connect the unit to the power mains. We make sure that the power line supplies the correct voltage required by the unit. This is 230 volt. To clean the unit, we turn off the power first. Then we use only a soft dry cloth and do not cleaning agents. And then we can fix it on a cabinet, for example. We can fix it on the wall if we like. Of course, we will need two plugs. We have to drill two holes. We fix it with two plugs onto the wall or the clamp on our mirror. Really easy, as you can see here. It's easy to perform. It is easy to connect to our power line. And after you finish the installation, of course, you have to enable the power again, and then you can use a switch. If you does not have a switch already installed in your area, you have to buy another switch. Like me, I bought another switch and connected this with this lamp system, and then we can switch on and switch off this DILUMEN LED mirror lamp as we like. The other thing is, of course, often you in the bathroom you have a switch for the center lighting. This will switch on the mirror lamp too. Then you only have to connect it to your wire. It's the brown cable, and of course the blue cable. Earth does not recommended, so we does not have to install this. It's easy, as you can see, and it makes a really beautiful and modern looking bathroom after you install this DILUMEN LED mirror lamp. This is the Lisa 300, or you can also use the Lisa 500 with that. The voltage is 230 volt, 50 Hz, maximum power is 5 watt or 10 watt. The isolation class is 2. We can perform this by ourselves, but take care because of the power supply. You have to disable it or switch it off, then install it with the right connections, and then you can enable it again. The DILUMEN LED mirror lamp will get you in a better lighting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.